Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 3.6, question number 1. So I will read the question for you. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Let me repeat. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So these are the equations given to you. This is a pair of equations. But the thing is, in this question, the question says that reduce them to a pair of linear equations. Actually, here the equations given to you, they are actually not linear equations. So I'll show you how. If you happen to take the LCM of the denominators, let's see, I'll write here 1 by 2x plus 1 by thrice y equal to 2. So if you take the LCM, you'll be getting here definitely 6xy. Then here thrice y plus 2x is 2. And then we have thrice y plus 2x equal to, if you do the cross multiplication, 6 to 12, then here xy. Now let us see the degree of this equation. Here the power of y is 1 for this term, and for the term twice x, the power of this x is 1. And for the other term, we have here x, here 1, and even the power of y is 1. So here power 1, here power 1, but here what happened? In the same term, 12xy, here power of x is 1 and the power of y is 1. So this will be actually treated as 2. So the biggest power here is actually 2. So the degree is 2. Degree is 2 means it is not actually a linear equation. Therefore, the question says that first change them into the linear equations, then only you solve. Okay, let's see. When you see this kind of questions, how we are going to start solving it, I'll explain you now. So let me wrap this part now. We find this x in the denominator. So 1 by 2x means actually this is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Let's see, if you multiply 1 into 1, you will get here 1. 2 into x, you will get here twice x. So in place of this 1 by x, you are going to write here u. So 1 by 2 into u means you'll be getting here u divided by 2. So in place of this 1 by 2x, you can write u by 2. Similarly, in place of this 1 by 3y, you can write 1 by 3 into 1 by y. So 1 by 3 into, like I replace 1 by x as u, here 1 by s, you can even replace with v. So now what happened now? It will be v divided by 3. So this given equation can be written as 1 u by 2 plus v by 3 is u. Now it becomes a linear equation. How? For the u, the power is 1. Even for the v, the power is 1. So the biggest power is 1. Therefore, it becomes a linear equation. This is what we have to do first. So I'll give the solution from here. This is round figure 1 solution. I'll start like this, putting, or you can say putting this 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v in the given equations. In the given equations, we get what we get. Let us see. In place of this equation, what you are going to write now, you are going to write u divided by 2 plus v divided by 3. I have given the explanation to you here. Now it becomes 2. Similarly, for the second equation, how can we write? It will be u divided by 3 plus it will be v divided by 2, and then we have now 13 divided by 6. First I change them into the linear equations, and I'll give the equation name here equation 1 and here equation 2. Okay, so let me wrap all this now. This is the explanation that I give to you. It is not necessary for you to show in the exam. Okay, now we have got here two equations. We have here u and we have here u, and below that, below means denominator is 2 and here denominator is 3. Similarly, when I check at v, here denominator is 3 and here denominator is 2. So let us do like this. I want to apply here elimination method first. For that, let us multiply on multiplying equation 1 by 2. I'm going to multiply this equation 1 by how much? By 2. And equation 2 by 3 we get. Let us see how much we get now. If we multiply this equation 1 by 2, let's see, it will be 2 into u by 2, and then you get cancel 2, so that you'll be getting here how much? U plus. What about the next? If we multiply this v by 3 by 2, you'll be getting now twice b divided by 3. So let me write here twice b divided by 3. And if you multiply here by 2, 2 are 4. Okay, this is what we get now. Next, equation 2 by 3. This equation 2, now u by 3 into 3, 3 cancel, so you are getting here u plus. And if you multiply this v by 2 by 3, then you will be getting now thrice b divided by 2. So thrice b divided by 2. And what about the next? 13 by 6, I have to multiply by 3. So 3 into 13 divided by 6. 3 1 3, 3 2 are 6. So now you are getting here now 13 divided by 2. So 13 divided by 2. So after multiplying the equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3, we have got these two equations again. So we have seen that here the coefficient of u is 1, and again here the coefficient of u is 1. When no number is in front of the variable, that should be treated as 1. So when you write here x, it is nothing but 1x. When we just write here y, it is nothing but 1y. So similarly, when there is u, it will be just 1u.